everyone, I'm coming on today to share with you how to make these glam and easy and fun decor items for your home. Alright everyone, these are the items that we'll be using. I have these little beads, wood beads, that we're going to use to make our garland. And I have all this nice bling chains here and some paint. Okay, we're going to be painting our garlands, one in black and one in gold. Okay, I placed our beads on these wooden sticks that I got here, and I put some elastic on each end to help keep them on the stick. This will just help me to paint them a little better and keep them in place, not rolling all over, which will happen if you don't have them on something like this. So I'm going to use some black paint and some gold paint that we have here and paint our beads all around. So we're just applying the paint, going right around. And I did get these wooden beads from BeeBeeCraft, yes. And here's some more items that I got from BeeBeeCraft. Lots of bling, which I'll be using to do some DIYs to share with you. And I will have the link below to BeeBeeCraft so you guys can go over and check out these items for yourself. So I'm just going to continue painting all of our beads and then I'll set them aside to dry. And now I'll be painting our other set of beads in black. Remember, one set black, one set gold. Okay, so now our beads are all dry. So this is our black set. Sorry, this is our gold set. And I have 4 black beads to go with this set. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use some of this gold bling here that I got from BeeBeeCraft, using some Gorilla Glue all over, and then I am just going to wrap the gold chain going right around our little bead here. Okay, so now I have some yarn, some white yarn. You can use any color you like, and I'm going to wrap it around my fingers because we are going to make the little tassel for the end. Tassel, tissel, however you pronounce it. That's what I'm making. So I just use my hand and I wrap it around to the thickness that I want. When you get the thickness that you want, then you take it off, and then we're just going to cut the bottom and then use a piece of string and tie it in the center. And now we're just going to take another piece and wrap it around. And then we'll just tie this piece with a knot too. And then we just shape it up, and there we go. And now we are just going to put our garland together. So I added a piece of tape so it's easier to pass the thread through each of the opening of the beads.
Just for your attention, I work hard for it. You call me up right now, girl, I would cover it up. When I realize that I've made a big mistake, choosing material things, so.
And now we're at the other end, at which I made another little tassel to go at this end. So we're just gonna tie everything together.
I gotta see who knows. Baby, I know that me and you should be together. Yeah. All my life I've been waiting for somebody like.
Now I'm going to be using some Gorilla Glue and add some more bling to the bottom part of our tassels.
My life's like a hurricane, ran through a hurricane. When I had you, I was like, okay. I need you beside me. Yeah, girl, I need you.
And now it's time to assemble our next garland, which is mostly black, yeah. Gold at the bottom and black going right around. Once again, adding our next tassel at the other end and tying it on.
So when we go out, girl, I would with you like
And we'll be using our glam chain again from BeeBeeCraft and also some more of our Gorilla Glue. And glue the bling going around our tassel.
admit all the money that came and changed it all up. But now ain't
And here is the finished look for our gold and black garlands. I like how they turned out. I think they look super nice. And they're personalized. They're yours. You could use any colors you want. And you have something that you made yourself and you can give it away as a gift or decorate it throughout your home. It will look lovely. Now for DIY number 2, I found these 2 little things here at the Dollar Tree. Aren't they nice? I think they're super cute. I love them. You could leave them just like this, or you could add your own touch to it, which I'm going to use some gold spray paint and spray paint them with the gold spray paint. And here's how they turned out. The gold looked more like a brown, OMG. It didn't turn out the color I wanted, but it still looks nice. And the other one, I just added some gold glitter. Yeah, but they're there. Hit or miss. That's what they are. And now for our next DIY, I have these little, call it like little baseballs I found in the Dollar Tree in the toy section. And they're hard plastic. They're super cute. So I'm just going to add some of this gold bling. Once again, I got from BeeBeeCraft. And I will be using some of the Gorilla Glue to glue them going around our ball. So in the grooves, I'm adding the Gorilla Glue. And then we'll just add our glam chain going down the sides. I was going to paint the balls, but I said it looks nicer in the white. So I'm just going to leave them white. And here's our finished look. 3 lovely little accent balls. You could put them in a little bowl like and have them anywhere throughout your home. Fast and super cute. Alright everyone, here is everything that we did. Some easy DIY accent pieces for your home. I do like how they all turned out. This one I had to add the glitter because I didn't like how the gold looked. As you can see on the other one, I thought it would be a brighter gold, but it's not. It turned out to look kind of dark, but it still looks lovely. I do believe they still look lovely, as you can see here. And our accent balls, oh, these I love. Absolutely love them. I think they turned out super cute. And our garlands are gold and black garlands. Aren't they super cute? Yes, they are. I love how they turned out. And the gold took nicely to these beads. See, it's a nice shade of gold. I thought that's what would happen on this one over here, but it didn't. Anyways, that's all your girls got for you today. I hope I have inspired you once again with some lovely DIYs that you can make for yourself. Oh, and thank you for coming on and seeing the DIYs I had to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye-bye, everyone.